McChip-dkr starts with 911 Targa 4 GTS as the basis for these upgrades, and the firm manages to push the output to 566 horsepower, 422 kilowatts, and 498 pound-feet of torque, 675 Newton-meters, which is a major upgrade over the stock trim's 450 horsepower, 336 kilowatts, and 405 pounds-ft, 549 Newton-meters. To add so much to the model's output, the tuner installs its Stage 3 performance upgrade that includes upgraded turbos, new downpipes, a performance chip, and Capristo exhaust with sports catalysts. Performance also gets a boost from a set of height-adjustable KW coilovers and some Porsche ceramic composite brakes. GT3 RS wheels, which are 20-inch diameter in front and 21 inches in the rear, make sure the extra power can get to the road and make this Targa look more like a genuine Porsche product. After the extensive upgrades, this custom Targa makes 566 horsepower. The Porsche 911 lineup offers customers an extensive array of options ranging from the basic 911 Carrera to the high-performance, all-wheel drive Carrera 4 GTS Cabriolet. The German tuner McChip-dkr now adds one more choice by extensively tuning the Targa body to give it GT3 levels of power, which usually only comes in a coupe.